Welcome to another video on advanced Excel formulas. I have a simple dataset here which I would like to unpivot. On the left hand side you can see we have 5 columns starting with fruit, then quantity and amount for Mumbai and Pune respectively. I would like to convert this into 4 columns as shown on the screen, starting with fruit, city, quantity and amount columns only. So let us quickly see how we can get this using latest Excel formulas. I have the dummy dataset currently displayed on the screen and the column headers which I would like to have in the final output. Now here as a first one for fruit, I would like the output like this: apple, it should come like this, grapes and so on. This is what my requirement is there. It should repeat like this in similar way for all the fruits. So how do I get that? So first thing is we'll simply use the IFNA formula. Select these many fruits and comma as a second input for the quantity. Now what this IFNA formula is doing up, it will go and check each one of the fruits and see if there is any error. If it finds any error, it will replace that NA error value with the corresponding values in the rows of the quantity column. So for example, grapes contain NA error. Here you can see it will give me 42. So it will replace the NA error with 42. If there are no errors, it will display me the same values. That's what it is currently doing up. Now currently I have selected only as a single column as a second input. It is giving me only single column output. So if I select 2 columns and press enter, it will become my dynamic array formula. And now here you can see same fruit names are getting repeated in 2 different columns. Now I would like to stack these 2 columns one above another. For that purpose, TOCOL function is being used. For example, if I use TOCOL over here and simply select both of these columns and press enter, here you can see it will give me apple like this. It will stack the same rows with multiple columns one above another. Now this is what I want. So I can simply put 2 columns before this and press enter. So I have got the required data set. Now I would like to have similar thing for city as well. So here it should come Mumbai, Pune, like that I would like to have. So I can use TOCOL IFNA, which we have seen just now. So these are the 2 columns, comma, and these many products I want. So I'm selecting as a second input for those rows. Now here you can see the moment I press enter, I'm getting Mumbai and 0. Since the city names are merged and D column and F column does not contain anything, it is replacing blank cells with 0. So I will use filter function to eliminate this 0. So let us start typing filter function before TOCOL filter. Let us copy this entire formula, Control C, comma, Control V, and does not equal to 0. That's what I want, and press enter. Here you can see we have got our city names properly over here. Now as a next one, I would like to have Mumbai quantity as 16 and Pune quantity as 46. Similar way 42 over here and 38 over here. That is what I would like to have. Now since we have selected IFNA and TOCOL, I can't use that over here. In first input of the IFNA, I can select only a single column. Now how do I get these columns next to each other? I can use the HSTACK formula. I can simply use HSTACK. Simply select any non-2 adjacent columns. I'm selecting that and press enter. So here you can see I have got the quantity next to each other. And now I can simply put this inside TOCOL function and I will get the quantities properly. Similar way I can do it for amount as well. Select the amount columns, comma, and this one, press enter, yes. And now here you can see I have the data set unpivoted properly for our dummy data set. So that's it, like guys, from my side. See you guys in